So welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do what I'm burning and melting today. In the opening scenes I showed you my mom's gardens. Yeah, she's still living at home alone. She's almost 92, yeah, we're still going up there and helping out in that. Yeah, I went on a hike today, so I just got out of the shower. I think I lost about 5 pounds of sweat, but I feel invigorated and I feel ready to... Oh, Millie needs some food. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm burning in the kitchen right now. And this is Force of Nature by Bath and Body Works, which is champagne toast. And this, I actually did end up grabbing a couple of these jars just because it's so beautiful. And I knew Millie, she paws at the floor of the bowl when she's hungry, so let me just feed her. Okay, Millie's a happy dog now. Okay, so Force of Nature is champagne toast, and this is absolutely beautiful. I knew when I bought it that these little dragonflies would light up, and it just looks so pretty. Are you going to focus? Anyway, anyway, there we go. But yeah, it just looks absolutely gorgeous, lit up, and this is a strong thrower. I need a strong scent in my kitchen, and this is filling up the kitchen and wandering outside the kitchen. It's just a bright, fruity scent that I do like year-round. We've been having a lot of rain and thunderstorms here, and I have been burning my Yankee Candle Storm Watch. It's not burning the greatest, but I might have to throw it in candle prison, but we'll see. So in the pantry area, I am burning Sensationals Bombay Sunrise. I think I have a few of these left. It's a hot day today, so this is good for a transition scent, though. Usually I'll just burn this on like a cooler evening, kind of going into fall and that. It's a kind of a heavy, spicy citrus. Yeah, it's very hard to explain, but it's very strong, and yeah, I think I'll just leave this now till those cooler autumn evenings. It's just a nice transition scent. Okay, in the washroom, or the powder room downstairs, I have Yankee Candles Meadow Showers. And this is a very old tart, but it's still throwing like a beast. I wish all their wax melts threw like this one. Yeah, I don't know how old this is, but it's still going strong. It's a very soapy greenery scent, which I really like in the spring and summer. So yeah, I think I have maybe 2 of these left, and then that'll be it. But I do have a candle left in the Meadow Showers. Okay, in my office, in my Scentsy warmer, I have Inner Peace. Sort of a light, bright, citrusy kind of scent. So I just threw it in there now. So we'll see how that one goes. children's bathroom, I have Sensational's Camp Therapy. I'm almost done this one. It's sort of a woodsy cologne scent. I wish it was more like a woody, smoky kind of scent, considering it's called Camp Therapy. But anyway, it is light though. It is a light kind of scent. But yeah, I'm a sucker for that label. And last but not least, in my bedroom is Beach Sage and Mint. I wish I had hoarded this when it came out. I don't think it came out this year, or I definitely would have grabbed it. This is a 10 out of 10 throw, very good burn, just very bright, very earthy, picked from the meadow kind of mint, along with the sage, just a perfect combination. Absolutely love this one. So that's what I'm burning and melting today. I hope everyone's doing great, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.